director. We're seeing senior directors are earning $3,000 to $5,000 a month and beyond. Who can use, who some of you are like, that's exactly what I need right now, is an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month consistently. That comes from being a consistent senior director. $3,000 to $5,000 a month. In fact, we're creating ring earners at the senior director level, because the first ring is $50,000 in a year. Well, $4,100 a month times 12, if I'm not mistaken, that's $50,000. You got your $50,000 ring. And so guess what? You qualify senior director and above consistently, you are on track for your first ring, $50,000. That's some adult cash flow. You know, that's how you inspire those negative people to not be so negative, right? The supportive family members become way more supportive when they see the results that you're producing, right? Your team gets more inspired when they see the results that you're producing. So cash flow level 2 is senior director.